Good afternoon. Doing getting some credit report on high official credit. You have the right to know all the information in your credit file. You have the right to dispute incomplete, inaccurate information on your credit file. Anything that's on your account, it only can remain 7 years from the date of your delinquency. I mean, your first payment, your first 30 days late. That's when 7 years from that, that's when it's supposed to come off. It don't go by your last payment for the 7 years. It go by the day of your first delinquency. If you want to get a free credit report, you go to www.annualcreditreport.com and get one for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Since it's a new year, you can get a free one. If you want to get your credit score, you go ND's website and you get your free credit report or credit file. Or you go to Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, get a free credit score. Also, you can monitor your credit. While you're looking at your credit report, if you see anything with a high credit is zero, a credit limit of $500 or balance amount of $500, for example, this will be inaccurate. Your balance cannot be lower than your high credit. High credit and your balance and the credit limit cannot be lower than your high credit. Same thing, if you've got a credit card and got a limit of $500 and your high credit is zero, they should be the same or more. This is an example, your late payments. This one for Equifax, 30 days, today is 90 days, 120 days. It's another, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it should be in that order. If you see something like 1, 3, 3, you know it's incorrect. So your example of mistakes I've seen. Let's see if I can get that there. Okay. Try and get a better visual, okay. If you notice, if you see the 1800, 1800, they're saying that's their last payment, which is incorrect because I wasn't even born yet. So stuff like that you look for to dispute it. Also, you notice some blank stuff. That would be incomplete, so you can dispute that. This is just an example of something you're trying to get a free credit report. You write something simple, I demand a copy of all the information you have on my credit file and credit report. You write to Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and you get a free credit report. Also, you see something with your name, you see more than one name on your credit report, you can do something like this. My name should appear, you write your name. Then I will put, I demand delete all the names that don't match mine. Also put, I want a description of how they did it. Also, you want to put, I want a request for all the information that's on my credit file. I would give them a copy of your driver's license You do the same thing for your address. Put your address down there. Tell them to delete all the address that don't match you on your credit report. Same thing, get them a copy of your driver's license. Same thing with social security number. Correct, this is my social security number. Tell them to delete all the social security number. You see more than one social security number on your credit report. You will get them a copy of your driver's license, social security number. And then